Today I'm going to show you how you can add certificates to your Upwork profile. I am in my very own profile over here. You can do so just simply by clicking on your name. And right over here, there's a bunch of stuff that you can edit. I'm going to come all the way here past my job history. It's past your skills, your project catalogs, testimonials. You'll get certificates. Right, now, a certificate, if you go ahead and click on here, is either your partner, which is a verified certificate. So they'll use your email to verify your partner's certifications. So if you click on this, here you will be able to then add in whatever partner certificates that you have, okay? Now, let's say you're not with one of their partners, you can literally just add it manually. So you click on add manually here, you add in the certification name, the provider, when it was issued, when it expires, which is optional, and the description, and the certification ID, again, which is optional, and the certification URL, again, which is optional. However, as the more information you add in here, the better, because this will make it just a little bit more legit, a little bit more real, instead of you literally just giving it a name, giving it a provider, and then like randomly giving it a description and adding a certificate. Now, I did a bunch of courses on LinkedIn Learning, and some of them were big, some of them were small, some of them were a few minutes, some of them were a few hours, but I've added all of them in over here. Well, not all of them just yet, but now I can actually find on that certificate that was issued the ID, and I've added the URL over here. So if you go show description, you'll actually see all of the details over here. And so now you can add certificates and you can show potential clients what you're actually made of.